Hello, I'm calling from room number 199, and my Wi-Fi passed away. It's dead. Lily, say the Wi-Fi isn't working. Could you please check it? Yes. And air conditioner is making tractor sound. Say the air conditioner is making a strange noise. Could someone have a look at it? Push! And shower only coming ice water, not fire water. Say there doesn't seem to be any hot water in the shower. Could you please check it? And towel disappeared. I think someone stole it. Just say, could you please send some fresh towels to my room? This is too much English. Better use it. Hello, I'm calling from room number 199. Can I please have a fresh towel? Aarvi, are you ready for your English exam? Yes, I'm ready. Tell me something you can eat. Is pizza, especially extra cheesy pizza. That's right, but what is the English word of something you can eat? Oh, edible. Pizza is edible because it's safe to eat. Excellent. Now tell me something you drink. What is it called? Coca-Cola. It's my favorite drink. Good answer. And the correct adjective is... drinkable. Coca-Cola is drinkable because it's safe to drink. Very smart. Edible for eating and drinkable for drinking. Now tell me something that you can do. Sleeping. Yes, sleeping is doable because it's something that you can do. And doing homework, reading a book, or cleaning your room are doable too. So, did I pass my English exam? Wait, was passing the exam not doable? Of course it was. It was doable and you passed the exam. Learning English is definitely doable.